We all love Lay's chips, right? But have you ever wondered how a simple potato turns into that perfectly crispy chip inside the bag? Well, let's find out. It all starts at the farm. Huge trucks are loaded with fresh, clean potatoes straight from American farms. You can almost feel the morning sun over those fields as the workers pick and inspect each potato. Every single potato matters. Once they arrive at the factory, the real process begins. The potatoes roll along massive metal conveyor belts and enter huge washing drums. Water splashes everywhere. Dirt and dust are washed off, and you can hear the satisfying sound of the water hitting stainless steel. Workers are inspecting the potatoes, making sure only the best go forward. Next comes peeling. Inside these massive rotating drums, the potato skins are removed quickly, almost like magic. You can see the skins flying off and the clean potatoes rolling down the conveyor, ready for the next step. Then, the slicing machines take over. These machines cut the potatoes into paper-thin slices, thousands at a time. The slices fall perfectly onto the conveyor belt, ready to become golden chips. It's actually mesmerizing to watch, thin, translucent slices gliding along with precision. After slicing, the potatoes are rinsed gently to remove extra starch, and then they move straight into the fryers. The oil is bubbling hot.
Oil temp is stable at 350, conveyor speed is optimal. Uniform slice distribution, no issues here.
And the slices cook until they reach that perfect golden brown. You can almost smell the crispiness in the air just by looking at it.
Looks good, keep the line moving.
The workers carefully monitor the temperature, making sure every chip is cooked just right. Once fried, the chips are ready for seasoning. Inside large rotating drums, flavors like classic salted, barbecue, and sour cream and onion are added evenly. You can see the powder coating each chip perfectly, and the texture looks irresistible. Workers sample the chips for quality, making sure the flavor is consistent in every batch. Then comes packaging. Automated machines drop the chips into Lay's branded bags, fill them with nitrogen gas to keep them fresh, and seal them perfectly. The bags move down the conveyor belt, stacked into cartons with the Lay's logo clearly visible, ready to be shipped. Forklifts carry the pallets to the warehouse, and soon these chips are on their way to stores all across the United States. And that's how your favorite Lay's chips are made. From farm to factory, every step is carefully managed, precise, and designed to deliver that satisfying crunch we all love. Next time you open a bag of Lay's, remember, it's not just chips, it's a story of care, precision, and a little bit of magic happening inside one of America's largest food factories. So, the next time you bite into that crispy golden chip, you know exactly what went into making it. And trust me, it's a lot more interesting than just grabbing a bag off the shelf.